First, you'll want to prepare the dough by adding milk warmed to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and the yeast to a stand mixer with dough hook attachment. Wait about 5 minutes until this mixture looks foamy. Add the rest of the sugar and other ingredients and beat for 1 minute. Add 3 more cups of flour and beat on low speed. Dough will be very soft. Start kneading the dough on a lightly floured surface. If dough is sticky, add a teaspoon of flour. Lightly grease a large bowl, then set the dough inside and cover with a clean towel or plastic wrap. Let it rise for 1.5 to 2 hours. Use a rolling pin to roll out the dough into a 10 by 16 inch rectangle. Spread the softened butter, then start mixing the filling. Tightly roll it and cut into 12 pieces. Once you place them in the pan and let them rise for another 45 minutes. Place the rolls in the oven for 25 to 28 minutes. Then pour icing over the top.